We're in Natomas, American Lakes Elementary, an awesome school. You know what else is awesome? Anthony Ferraro. He is our Teacher of the Month.
Understanding that everybody brings something to the table. Every kid can succeed and can be helped. When you put in the time to show that you care, they show it right back to you. That's why I do this job.
How much he cares for the kids in a very genuine way. His class has a very good culture. They trust him. They really like him.
Mr. Ferraro, I just want to say thank you for all your hard work here at American Lakes and for our community. And you get this snazzy plaque and a check for $1,000.
ABC 10's Teacher of the Month is sponsored by SchoolsFirst Federal Credit Union.